So, quick update on the Fab Lab up at Hursley, so I'm back there now. We're slowly kitting it all out, so we've decorated, we've got, in fact, let's put the lights on, we've got all the new LED lights are in, big old bench which is staying, that'll go back towards the wall, we've got 65-inch telly going up on the wall, and we have workbenches around the side and some racking for kit. So this is the sort of clean Fab Lab room as such, the 3D printing, electronics, bits and pieces like that. And then we're just finishing off all the sort of decorating bits in here. Got the LED lighting up, sorting out all the electrics, so door system stuff's going in, all the networking cabling. So there's Wi-Fi across all the site, the Fab Lab, the whole lot. And then we've got drill, milling machine, lathe, etc. all going in here, along with a whole range of hand tools, anything you really need essentially to make something, fix something, because this is going to be the home of the repair cafe as well, which I'll drop some more details in on that shortly. We've also got our welding, grinding sort of booth of extraction all being sorted out. So again, if you want to weld anything, fix stuff, this is the place to hang out. And we're going to have some quirky bits and pieces in here, as always, because it is IncuHive after all. And yeah, it's all looking snazzy. And it's a lovely day outside, up at Hursley. Rest of the site you've seen 100 times now, it's pretty much full. We've only got 4 offices, I think, unoccupied currently. Any updates, bits and pieces, I'll just show you bits and pieces as we do it. So the meeting room, other bits and bobs, all coming together. Starting work on another block. So there's a block just over to the left of here, which will start shortly. Did a cafe, the brewery, all coming together nicely. So again, our update in due course. So I filmed that little segment on the Fab Lab a few weeks ago now, and slotted it into another video with some content from a new IncuHive site we're launching, but I can't announce that one publicly yet, so I've had to slice the videos up a little bit, and I'm now back up at Hursley, so I thought I'd just do an update on the Fab Lab Space and how far we've come since that little section. Let me whiz around. So the main thing is we're sort of just starting to kit it all out properly now. There's a few benches missing, bits and pieces, but you can see the sun's out today, nice day. Spitfire related stuff, because the Spitfire sort of engine and bits and pieces was actually designed and built here on this actual site. So have some homage to that. Loads of tools and stuff going in. We've got hot foil, printing press, vinyl cutter, tons of hand tools, welding kit, plasma cutter over there. So everything you need to, a bit bright, do whatever you want really. And then the outside sort of more industrial space, I suppose, we've put up, I think you can see this, one of the missiles I own, and as you've probably seen in other videos, I collect and own a whole range of weird and wonderful stuff. So we've ceiling mounted this AIM-7 missile.
They're not on the safer anymore. Worst thing you've ever done.
Let's go this way. I think it looks pretty cool. So it's sitting up there. I've got another one here, which isn't as in great nick, but yeah, that took a bit of effort to get up on the ceiling, step by step. And yeah, this space, Sprite, is almost finished now, being kitted out. So the lathe, the mills, all the heavy engineering sort of machinery is coming in. The guys have built a nice door system for the electricity cupboard. So that's all boxed in. And we have hand tools racked up on there and so forth. And then hopefully, yeah, going forward we can launch the repair cafe and get this Fab Lab up and running and get people building some interesting stuff, including rockets and missiles, I'm sure. So I'll whiz around the rest of the site just to update on a few bits and pieces as well, and go from there. awesome sunny day up at Hursley. So blue skies, a bit cold, but it's not too bad in the sun, and yeah, courtyard's looking awesome. So we've got the brewery all going in here. So this is where a lot of the kit and machinery has been stored at the moment, but we've got the beer fridges, so we'll start kitting that out shortly. So in here, this is just our sort of storage space for kit, tools, bits and pieces at the moment. So sorting that out. Buggies under wraps there, got the basketball net up, all looking cool. Let's just go this way. The main sort of update is, sadly another skip full of rubbish here, but we're just fitting out this big office space, last one to sort of finish. So just reboarding, redecorating, bring it up to standard. And this is rented out already, so we're just getting this all sort of spot on. And it's, yeah, it's an awesome space, big office space. So once it's all kitted out, 2 large rooms here. Putting a little kitchenette in over on the corner. So this will be self-contained, pretty awesome space. And I'll show you upstairs as well. So this is another space we haven't touched yet. It's up in the clock tower, sort of opposite where I am. Nice view out. But again, hasn't been touched since we acquired the building. And we'll get this one kitted out next, decorated. This space will be predominantly for the sort of IncuHive staff, our team, as we base admin work, etc. So yeah, we'll move on to that one soon. And the clock is up there. I've shown people on video before, but you can see the actual clock tower. Again, not much we can do with that as a space as it stands, but it's still pretty cool. We'll just whiz inside. Everything's sort of sorted internally now, so most of it's all in use. I'll just do a quick pop into the meeting room. Not sure if I've shown this before. Again, nearly finished in here now as well. It's all kitted out, beer fridge in, all that jazz. And then downstairs, we come outside. We'll go into the bunker where we're going to start kitting out, but at the moment we're just using this as storage for all our kit, so all the stuff we use for site builds and so forth. I'm going to sort of refurbish this bit by bit, snazz it up a little bit and just use it at the moment for storage space. It's actually quite warm down here, got heating, it's dried out quite a lot. Just needs a lick of paint, clean up, and yeah, quite a usable space down here as well. Our next site is Stockbridge, which hopefully I can film and drop a vlog in on. We've got another site just being confirmed in Hampshire as well. So that was the video I couldn't show you in the previous vlog, but hopefully I can slot that in shortly and update on that as well.